Okay, we went to the farm store, and when we go to the farm store we get in a lot of trouble. So I'm supposed to be going to get a crescent wrench so that we can put on this quick hitch on the back of our tractor. So Randy has all excited and gotten the box open before I could even get my camera out.
Well, here's the box. See it?
This is a universal fast hitch system for 3-point hitches. So hopefully it will fit on our tractor and we can hook stuff up easier. We'll see. It's gonna fit. We don't know that. We ain't hooked it up yet. I think you need a bigger crescent wrench. He's in such a hurry to put this thing on that he won't wait for me to turn the camera on.
Well, stay still.
Well, you got me.
Picture of the airplane.
You got me out in the sun, and I had to get my hat.
I gotta go get some more wrenches.
Well, just drive to the garage. So what this does is it makes it easier to hook up your attachments on your tractor, and you may or may not have to fight it for an hour to get it on there, like we do. That's an awful big wrench. It doesn't have a washer?
The lock nuts, see how they're tapered at the end?
Oh. Well, I didn't know that. Kind of like the ones on your lugs on your cars or trucks.
No, they don't have lock nuts.
On our pickup it does.
No, it don't.
Well, they have one just like that.
Are you filming?
Yes. I can, like,
I don't want you to miss anything.
I'm not missing anything. I'll probably block out all the noise because the radio's on.
I need to look and see if there's a...
What size?
No, it don't fit. It don't fit. I need a bigger one. I don't have a bigger one.
What size is that?
1.125. I need like 1.25 inches, I think.
I think it's 1.25 inches. Hang on, I think I got 1.25 inches.
Might see if I got a socket.
I thought that said 1 inch. It does say 1.25 inches.
What's this one say? Maybe that's red.
That's supposed to 1.25 inches, so it's 1.5 inches. I don't think you got anything that big. Do you?
No, look at my big sockets.
Where's that at?
In that big drawer, the drawer.
The big drawer?
Yeah, one of the bigger ones.
What about the lug wrench? It's not that big, is it?
Nope.
16?
I'll try it and see.
They got 1 inch and 3/8.
I don't think I have a racket. That's in a big set.
Yep. 1 and 15, 16. That's the, that fits it, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's like a, what do you call it?
You got to put a center bolt ties to your original hookup, and you got 2 bolts top and bottom to adjust your levelness of this part. Then you got 3 bolts on the side to adjust so it's straight and locks it all together.
And it's a whole lot easier when you come to the garage and have all your tools, huh?
A little bit. You can't just do it with your crescent wrench.
And with some of this stuff, you might want to have some really big sockets and wrenches.
One of them is 1 1/4 inch and one of them is 1 15/16 for the big one. The other bolts are 15/16, or I mean a metric 15.
You got it in there? It's still moving.
It's moving on the swivel.
Should we grease that?
Nope.
Don't worry, you'll have it again. How do you know how to get it level?
I don't. I'm experimenting.
That's scary. So you just kind of like put it where you think it's level?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Trying to eyeball it with the original one so it's straight with it. It probably doesn't matter, except when you go to hook up something, if it ain't straight, you'll have your attachment one side lower than the other if you don't get them perfectly the same. And then when you latch this back over and you've got your pin sitting in here, it won't be level, and then when you're backing up something, it might make it harder. It just makes it a lot easier if it's straight. And I'm eyeballing down the side of this, getting it straight, because right now, so you can move, well, I got it on tight now, but it locks it all in.
And those bend in a little bit anyway.
Yeah. And then everything has a locking nut. After you get it adjusted, they got locking nuts so you can lock it in place so they don't just back out, because there's a lot of vibration on attachments running around the field. And I got a bug.
Not as good as the one I got. Now to tighten up this side. Hey, it moved. long-winded little sucker, ain't
Yeah,
it?
they are. Yeah, you got a lot of threads hanging out. But they're universal, so some of these are really big.
Why do you have these big wrenches? No, why do you have them?
Because I used to work on big things.
Oh, big trucks?
Big nuts.
Big nuts?
Big bolts.
Big bolts?
Mainly these are for is when we used to work on our own tractors. This stuff here anyway. When we worked on the John Deere's all the time.
I don't think you can get it any tighter. You're just gonna have to tighten up the sides. Now that it's getting nice and toasty warm outside, it's supposed to be 100 with the heat index today.
That's alright, it's good for you. It makes your body good.
Randy's gonna go and detox himself out mowing the ground.
No, I gotta hook the brush hog up first.
And if you want to know why we put that on there, we fight the attachments that we put on this tractor every time we change them. And I made a mess of Randy's yard.
I never left a mess like this in the yard.
But he knows how to clean it up, so we'll let him do it. Go over here with all the attachments. A couple of them we only use certain times of the year. Might be Christmas before he gets to the mower. Yep, time to mow the field. Nope, that was a trial run. Put it together, put it on the tractor, see if it works. See if it's going to take an hour to put it on and off the tractor. Hip come to say hi. He'll just jump right up on the mower with me. You ought to be over there resting somewhere under a shade tree. It's hot out here. I'm sitting underneath the shade tree. He's out there playing. Well, I say he's playing, but he's just mowing the pasture up to make it look nice. But in the process, he's also making it more level so that they're eating more levelly instead of just picking and choosing. So that's why he's mowing it, but I wouldn't let him mow it any shorter than what he's mowing it. So, well, Randy is done mowing, and it's goat approved. Looks really nice out there. It's taken us quite a while to get our grass like this, but it's finally starting to take shape. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had as much entertainment as I did. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Have a great weekend.